Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW M440i xDrive Coupe in Alpine White with the Tacora Red Interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW M440i xDrive Coupe LCI in Alpine White. And I just hit unlock. Headlight shimmers there with those new snake eye headlights. And I've just stepped out a little bit so I can get a little bit better angle. I was close to the door, but man, it was so warm, and now it's freezing out here again. There's tons of snow, it already melted luckily. But anyway, back to the car. So we got Alpine White, we got M Sport Pro, we got optional carbon fiber roof. So let's go around, do a lap, the lovely laser tail lights. And then of course, we can go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So let's do that. So we got Alpine White, the classic BMW M color. We've got these lines coming here. There's another one coming swooping around, and then the same thing on the other side. Rondelle up front and center. We've got that new one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the horizontal slats. This part is active, so it does open or close. So it opens for more breathing of air and closes for better aerodynamics. We have your M badge here. And if you look at the air intake ducts on each side, we've got them in carbon fiber. So that looks pretty sweet. I really like what they've done with the grille. I think this grille looks so much better than the pre-LCI one, or the one that's now on the 430. And headlights on, and let's just get the low beams on there with the pathway lighting. So that looks really sweet. And let's take a closer look at these headlights here. So these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights, and we've got the blue accents in there, and we've got the double chevrons with the vertical stacked LEDs. So that looks really good, and it's all black in there, looks awesome. And I like how this line kind of comes down and is part of the headlight. That looks pretty sweet. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the new 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake back there. So that brake is massive, and there's a little bit of a gap between the spoke and the brake caliper. I do like these wheels in black. I prefer the 797s, which I have on my M240 right now, but this is the new 2025 wheel that's on 2 Series, 3 Series, 4 Series. They're not bad. They're growing on me a bit more, but I prefer a more simpler design. We have the M badging on the fender in the Canadian market. And of course, we've got this line. We've got this line, whoosh, goes up, and we've got this little line that goes that way. We have carbon fiber M wing mirrors. We've got the turn signal integrated there. We've also got the camera. And let's take a look at this optional carbon fiber roof. So in Canada, this is a $1,900 option. We have the new style antenna, and we've got the grooves on the roof just like we see on the M4. And let's just take a little side profile view. Looks really good, sports car shape. Got the Hofmeister kink here. We have the carbon fiber spoiler on the trunk lid. So we've got the full exterior carbon fiber package here. And when we look over here, so we've got the beautiful laser tails. And we've got the brushed aluminum M440i badging on the back here. And we've got these little pretend air ducts on the side to widen out the hips. We've got the horizontal reflectors over here, freeform exhaust, carbon fiber diffuser in the center. So that looks pretty sweet. Let's take a quick peek underneath here. So since we're back here, key here, so let me just kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. Okay, carbon fiber rear diffuser deletes the kick. So let me press and hold this. So once that opens up, you'll see inside we've got some carpeted mats. We also have release levers here And here to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. There's also a grocery bag hanger in here. We've got a netted area. Inside of here we got wheel lock key, tow hook, tire inflator kit, tire sealant. And this side there's a little plastic bin. So once we're done with this, we can press this to close, this to lock, but there's no kick because the carbon fiber rear diffuser deletes that sensor there. So let's press this. So that looks sweet. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side, connected to the central locking system. We're looking for, it says 93 octane. This is 91 octane. And it's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Shut the door. And since we're here, there's that rear 995 M wheel with the red caliper over here. So let's go ahead and open up the door. We have touch comfort access on both doors. And it's hard to see, but there is actually a welcome light carpet here. And inside of here, we do have Harman Kardon. We've got the galvanic controls with the ambient light strip there. Pockets, M door sill in aluminum, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension. Headrest height and forwards backwards is also manually adjusted. And if I look over here, there's a little lever I can pull up. So that will adjust the seat into the forward position so that I can get into the rear. So back here, we do have a coat hanger on the back of the B-pillar. 2 seating spaces in the rear. These are the Tacora Red seats. Headrests are fixed. Armrests in the center with some cup holders. Pass through the center from here. And up top, we've got the black headliner with some lights. There's some ambient lights there as well. And we have some vents on the back of the center console. Here are your rear rubber mats. There's more vents under here. And if I put this back into the reclined position, it will return to where it was. Now we also have the new vent controls. We also have a carbon fiber interior trim. We have iDrive 8.5. We have the new cascading ambient light here with the vents. And here we have some of the physical controls. Press that open. So inside there's a wireless charger, USB Type A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. We have your gear selector, push start button, iDrive controller, more carbon fiber, drift knee pad. And we have Tacora Red center console cover, and here's the USB Type-C charging port. It's illuminated in there as well. And we've got carbon fiber trim. We've got stitching on the dash. Let's go ahead and open the door on the driver's side next. Okay, so if we approach from the driver door, open that up. So inside again, stitching, Harman Kardon. We've got your door handle unlock lock, ambient light, window controls, side mirror controls, memory controls, tailgate release. So if I press that, it'll open. If I pull it with the key inside the car, it'll close it. We have your M door sill in aluminum, full power seat with lumbar once again. There's the new flat bottom steering wheel for 2025. So we've got tricolor stitching, 6 o'clock, some interesting design things on the 6 o'clock spoke on the steering wheel. Got the pedals on each side, red 12 o'clock marker. And we also have the head-up display here. We have the universal garage door opener here. And of course, CF roof deletes the sunroof. You've got your visors up top. You can open or close them. The opening does the lights. And they can come out and they can extend. So now that we've had a look at what's in here, we'll just shut that for better looks. Down here, we've got your M Sport pedals. Exterior lighting controls are here. And here's your hood release, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we don't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58, 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo, or twin power turbo. We have 386 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. And we have positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal. Washer fluid goes over there. Please, regular washer fluid only. We've got these strut bars over here as well. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so we just have to bring this down and have them close at the same time. So from about halfway, just send her. Nice. Okay, so we're at the back of the car. I've got the key, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So that's going to be for the remote engine start. One, two, three again to shut it off. All right, so I just wanted to give you a chance to listen to the cold start sound. What did you think? Okay, so before we conclude the video, I just want to do one more lap all the way around the vehicle. I really like the LCI 4 Series. I think they did an excellent job, and especially if you look at the coupe, this really is like a baby M4, and even more so with the LCI. And since we're up here, one more time, we're gonna hit unlock. Let's get that headlight shimmer. Doesn't show up on camera that well, but it's there. So how do you like this spec M440i LCI? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW M440i xDrive Coupe in Alpine White with the Tacora Red Interior. We also have the M Sport Pro package and the very unique and rare carbon fiber roof. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.